Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter the maintenance mode on your Nintendo Switch. So if you're having some sort of issue or problem with your Switch, you want to go ahead and completely turn it off. So let's go on down to power right here and then select this. Now we want to completely turn this off. So this is just sleep mode. So what I'm going to do is just hold down the power button right here. Power button. Hold this down. Then it's going to bring up the screen. We want to go to power options right here, and then go to turn off. So let's go to turn off. Now my Nintendo Switch is going to be completely turned off. Then on the top, once again, we want to hold down the plus volume up, minus volume down, and the power button right here. Hold all three of those buttons down at the same time. And this will launch into the maintenance mode now. So let's see the best way to do this. If you have small fingers, you can press all three of them down with 3 fingers. So I'm just going to press it down with 2. So pressing it down. I see the switch symbol popping up. And boom, here is the maintenance mode. So let's zoom in a little bit more and you can see what's going on the screen. So we have the option to update system, initialize console without deleting the data, factory reset, completely delete all the data, initialize console right there. And those are the 3 options under here. So you can select one. So I can go to update system, preparing an update. My system is up to date. Now I'm just going to go ahead and turn off my Nintendo Switch by holding down the power button once again. After 3 or 4 seconds, it should shut off on me. Then I can just press the power button and it will turn on. Just like normal now. Boom, focus. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.